everybody, Classic Mustang Garage here. So, today, we are going to be taking out this passenger side airbag in my mom's 1996 Mustang, which I'm currently cutting and buffing. And I couldn't really find any videos on this. I found one, and it was a guy with a new edge, and it was close to the same process, but it was a little bit different. So, I went ahead and took the glove box door off. There's three 8mm bolts right here. You take those out and then you just push in on the glove box door and it slides down and comes out. This right here I just took off just to see what I was working with. I couldn't see anything anyway. It's got two 8mm right here, and then this is the nightmare part. So right here and right here inside the dash, there's two 8mm bolts, and they are a nightmare to get to because you're trying not to like stab yourself with the studs from the seat. But right there, and then the other one's right there, and then there's this little clip right here that you push down on this and it slides out. So let's get the other airbag. And get this reinstalled. I'm currently cutting and buffing the car now, so paint's actually pretty good on it. And this is the airbag we got. I got out of a friend's parts car. He gave me this airbag, and we took it with us to the 55 years of Mustang. We had it signed, or we actually had all the Mustangs, this one, mine, and Mom's, signed. It was Kevin Marty, Gail Hendricks, he's the one that did the first generation Mustang. That is Shelly Marty, Kevin Marty's wife. John Clore, he does Ford Performance stuff with the I think Ford magazine. And Bud McGaldy, he actually designed the S95 Mustang. So, let's get this airbag back in the car. So now, theoretically, unplug the battery before you do all this. Make sure mine's unhooked. Yeah, okay, unhook both sides because you don't want anything to go wrong when doing this. Because this will explode, so do this, like, I mean, it won't will explode, but there's like a 1% chance. And yeah, so now and pause this. Let me slide this airbag out of place. Well, that kind of sucks. So I haven't bolted this in yet, but you can, if you see what I'm seeing, yeah. This airbag is a whole freaking other color. That's great. That's amazing. I mean, it's not that far off. He said, looking at this, and it's completely two different colors. Gosh, well, that sucks. So anyway, let me get this bolted back in, and then we'll like clean this, and hopefully magically it'll just suddenly become this color again. Because that's like a whole nother gray. Brother. Okay, let me bolt this back in and we'll see how bad it looks. Okay, so I got the new airbag in, and I can't get this part snapped back in place, but this one did not. It just keeps popping back out. So that's just, I guess it's gonna have to stay like that, but I mean, it doesn't look too horrible. I mean, That right there was a closer match. And the steering wheel I put in was, or my grandpa put in long time ago, was pretty close. But yeah, this one's, because it's more of a brown interior kind of, I guess now, or tan. And that right there is gray. I don't know, maybe it won't look too horrible. I hope. Because, yeah. Because, like, I carried this thing around for 2 days getting signatures, so. Signatures. But it's in, so that counts. Let's go hook the battery back up and hopefully she don't blow up on us. Hopefully it won't go kaboom. Well, y'all, we still have an airbag in there. Didn't blow up or blow out, so possibly did something right. Okay. Instagram's Closet Mustang Garage. Thank y'all so much for watching, and hopefully this helps somebody else that didn't know how to do this, because at the dealership it's like $120. I price checked to get this done, and a shop quoted me, I think it was like $105. So I saved some money. We didn't die, so that's good. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.